You'll recall from our last video that the goals of the 1 hour a month covered call trading system are to buy fundamentally sound assets that can generate regular income through quarterly dividends, as well as the skillful selling of covered call contracts every 30 days or so to generate monthly income and compounding gains. And perhaps you're wondering how to go about picking the right stocks that are ideal for this powerful covered call system. After all, there are thousands and thousands of stocks to choose from, and you don't want to select the wrong stock. To help you, let's break down the essential conditions and criteria that we must have in order to trade the covered call system with confidence. The first area of focus is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is where we look at a company's balance sheet, where the bean counters and financial analysts count and measure all the most important metrics we want to see in a fundamentally sound and profitable company that is primed for growth. The second area of focus is technical analysis, which is the study of price action over time and where we can break down and analyze the trading activity and personality traits of the stocks we're interested in to make sure that we have clear and identifiable bullish price trends and cycles that are conducive to writing covered calls. If both the fundamentals and technicals meet our criteria, then the third area of focus is the options contracts themselves. It is vitally important that we only select stocks with rock-solid options available for trading with plenty of liquidity and narrow bid-ask spreads. As you can see, there are many important considerations that go into selecting the right kinds of stocks, and with the right training and education, you can become very competent and confident in your stock picking abilities, which will serve you well. But because we want to help you save time and get started sooner rather than later, we've already done all the hard work for you, and we have curated an exclusive list of our top 25 covered call candidates, as well as the top 10 dividend-paying stocks that will not only save you time, but help you plug into the system right away. Not to mention, this power list also has 20 additional candidates that have very rich option premiums that are sure to make you salivate and fatten up your bottom line. Keep watching these awesome videos and following the right steps, and you'll be able to get your hands on this coveted list of prime stocks that perfectly plug into the 1 hour a month covered call system.